Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should open the notification panel shortcuts and somewhere here we should find the scan QR code icon. Just click once on this icon and after that we should place our QR code in this frame. So let's do it. Now just wait a second and we can see here that we can open this QR code in browser directly or just to copy this link, for example to just share with someone. Let's open it directly. Just tap here and we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.